Welcome to the Future Energy mobile application tool. The RMS dashboard provides real-time and historical solar plant metrics with detailed alerts and inverter performance insights. The dashboard displays data for today by default with options to view backdated information. Key metrics include inverter energy, daily import-export, AC-DC CUF, peak power, plant start time and stop time, plant availability, GTI/GHI average, life power and prevented CO2. At the bottom, you can access latest alerts which lists current and previous alerts, filterable by component type, alert type, status and creator. Selecting an alert shows alert type, error code, error message, start date, last updated and the auto marking status. Additionally, inverter details display active inverters with metrics such as inverter ID, overloading, DC load, daily energy, yield, PR percentage, output power, CUF, total energy and status. The ticket section is divided into My Tickets and Ticket List. My Tickets includes assigned to me and action required by me. The ticket list shows all tickets raised for the plant. Opening a ticket provides details such as ticket name, description, due date, assigned to, action required by, attachments and updates for the assignee. The alert section displays all alerts flagged by the OS categorized as pending, active, acknowledged or closed. Tapping on an alert provides detailed information including name, alert type, error message, start date and time, last updated, and the auto marking status. The maintenance section is divided into assigned to me and schedules. Under assigned to me, tap on the work order you want to execute. A pop-up will appear with options to continue, reject or reschedule. If rejecting, fill in the reason. If rescheduling, provide the reason and the new date. When continuing, first access the SOP document, select technicians involved, accept the terms and upload a shutdown verification checklist. Then capture a before maintenance image, complete the digital checklist by marking checkpoints as done and capture an after maintenance image. Fill in the consumables details, select and update spare parts, upload a work permit closure image and finally close the order. In the Schedules section, all work orders completed, delayed and in progress are displayed. You can filter them by KPIs, status, assignee, type of activity and type of components or search for specific work orders. Thank you for using the FutureOS mobile application.